Now it's on to the blackfish. I think that's a little tastier than the red one. Our next course is the crab. Call this crab Santa, because it's got claws. That was dumb. Ooh, look at that nice crab meat. And last but not least, our main course, the lobster. Look at all the meat in that lobster tail, my goodness. I feel the life returning to my body right now. You can even probably just tell in my energy in this video how much better I'm feeling. Dude, everything I just ate would have run you $49.95 at a mid-tier seafood restaurant.